Last year, I met someone. They were selling a food online, flipping order here and there occasionally. It was initially a hobby, but then it becomes a proper side hustle, earning few £100 every week. But here is the twist. They didn't see it as a business. They just see it as a kind of a side hustle, earning a few extra thousand in a cash. So they're saying it as we are earning cash to just to kind of meet our day-to-day needs. But HMRC did not see it like this way. So the moment letter arrived from HMRC, then they realize so many people are in a same boat. The side hustle explosion is real, but so the tax implications are. So let's talk about it. From Etsy selling to eBay marketing, from YouTube ads to TikTok shop. Side hustle is everywhere, but if you don't report your income to HMRC, they will come and knock your door and a letter which you don't want to receive from HMRC. But here is a key number: £1,000. If you are earning less than £1,000, then you don't need to report it to HMRC. This £1,000 is called a trading allowance. So anything if you are earning between 6th April up till 5th April is called a tax year. Anything below £1,000, you don't need to report it to HMRC. So as soon as you are within this threshold, you don't need to report it. However, the moment you cross this threshold, you need to report it to HMRC by registering yourself to HMRC. And anything like, for example, selling over Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or even you're earning money via YouTube ads or via posts from the Instagram or LinkedIn. So you need to report it to HMRC by registering via the tax done. Middle line, HMRC Director General for Customer Services put it bluntly: whether you are selling handmade crafts, online creating digital content, or renting out property, understanding your tax obligations is essential. If you earn more than £1,000 from these activities, you may need to complete self-assessment tax done. So the message is clear. HMRC knows side hustle boom is happening and they want you to make clear payments toward tax obligations. Now here is a good news. The tax year is 6th April to 5th April each year. And if you manage to file tax done, let's say at the end of April or May, then the filing deadline is 31st of January following the next year. So if you manage to file tax return in May, then you have roughly 7 to 8 months to make a payment towards your tax liability. And HMRC they are generous enough to make a payments for you. Like each month you can, let's say for example, if you have a £1,000 liabilities, so they can make a payment arrangements for you to pay within maybe £90 a month, which will help you to like spread your cost over the months instead of paying everything all together. So obviously people often ask is like, what if we don't report it to HMRC? So be aware of it. Like HMRC knows each and every single penny you are earning, from crypto to Amazon to eBay to Etsy to YouTube to Instagram to TikTok to any social media platform. All of them, they are obliged to report all of your earning to HMRC. And if you don't report to HMRC, then they know like this person is earning that much money in this tax year. So they will make you penalized for not reporting it, and penalty is roughly like 100% of the tax liability. And obviously on top of this is interest, and in worst case scenario they will open an inquiry against you if you don't report your income to HMRC. So I always suggest people like the risk in this case is not worth taking, because penalty, interest, investigations all will kind of ruin your cash flows. And for now, like trading allowance is £1,000, but the current government is planning to increase from 1,000 to £3,000. And hopefully if they manage to get it to £3,000, then you have a like kind of a big chunk here like £2,000, so which like help you to not report to HMRC if you earn less than £3,000 in a tax year. As a general public perception, everyone knows like side hustle boom is happening, and then everyone is doing a side hustle along with the job or business or 9 to 5 work, whatever they're doing. And HMRC also know this, like all kind of like government authorities. However, the good news is like if you tidy up your records and then report your income to HMRC and then pay on time, so it will help you to kind of build a good relationship with these government authorities. And I recently published a kind of a same video around the crypto taxes, and if you kind of watch that video, I also explained this around the same topic in this video. And if you need any help around crypto, like your online selling or e-commerce selling, so please reach out to me, drop a comment below, and then I will get back to you. As always, hand ahead salute until the next video.